like this. We like. Hey sis, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to be doing a review on this really cute, really affordable curly bob wig. So if you're interested and you want to know the specs, the deets, and see a little bit of styling, then just keep on watching. I got you. But before we get into the video, if you're new here and you're not subscribed, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It is free. It's right down below, a click away, a tap away, depending on the device you're using. So yeah, please subscribe and let's get into the video.
Okay, so here's the wig in all its glory. It has two combs, well, three combs behind the frontal portion. And I have my edges like that because I'm gonna put the wig on behind my edges. So that's why I have my edges parted off like that. Y'all know how my hairline is set up. It's disrespectful. And so in order for me to blend the lace, I have to part my hair off like that and put it behind my lace. So now I'm just putting a wig on, just trying to make sure that I parted my hair correctly. And as you see, like, the lace kind of fits directly behind the edges that I parted. Y'all see them things, like, I cannot camouflage them. I can't, there's no way for me to brush them back and put the lace over top of them. So I had to part them off and put the lace behind, like, you know, in the part. Anyway, so I'm cutting the lace off now. I cut it off in kind of like sections, like the middle, both of the sides. Now I'm adding the got to be, and I'm going to put the got to be down, and I use the bed head spray, and I don't really like this spray. I'm sticking with my got to be, but anyways, I tried it this time. I just sprayed it down. It does dry quickly, but it doesn't hold as well. Anyways, so I was trying to fan it, but that wasn't working out, so I had to get the blow dryer, and I'm doing it on cool because I tried it on warm and it just didn't work out. So then I put it on cool. And like I said, the bed head spray dries down pretty quickly, but it just doesn't hold as well. So now I'm going to apply the lace. I'm going to go back and tweeze later on. I'm just trying to get the lace down just to see what I'm working with. This is the first time I ever did this, like, you know, apply the wig behind my edges. So I really just wanted to see if it was going to work out for me. Lowest key, I was going to make it work even if it didn't. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going to do the same thing to the side, put the got to be down, and then spray the bed head, and then blow dry on cool. Remember, on cool. And then I'm going to press the lace in, and that's pretty much it. I'll do that to the other side as well, but I did that off camera just because it's pretty much the same thing. Well, here I am putting the lace down. I wanted to give y'all a closer look at just what I was doing. In order for me to really get in it, because I didn't want to keep touching it with my hand, I had to kind of like part the hair off and use the comb to really press it down, because I didn't want to use my hand, like I said, because it was going to get too sticky. Like I said, the bed head spray dry quickly and it's nice and sticky, but for whatever reason it doesn't hold like they got to be. So I definitely will not be using it again. If I do, I'll kind of just spray over top, just so it's like, you know, just so it makes it dry faster. Now I'm adding the edge control and just slicking my edges back into the lace, and then I'm gonna tie my hair down and let it just set, and that's pretty much it. Like, oh no, I'm lying. I forgot I didn't do the plucking. So now I'm gonna add powder, and then I'm gonna pluck, and then that will be all. Okay, so I'll just let you watch the rest. I'm literally just adding powder and plucking and plucking and plucking, and that's it.
Okay, so this is the Malaysian curly bob. It is a 13x6 frontal wig, so you get the 13x6 frontal parting. It is pre-plucked. However, I did go in and pluck some more as you seen, because I just think that when it comes to like frontals and wigs and stuff like that, even if something comes pre-plucked, I'm pretty sure you're gonna customize it a little bit further to help it fit you best. So I did go in and do some extra plucking, but only in the portions where I felt like I was gonna, you know, utilize the wig, like the middle part, the side part, etc. Now I do have the wig right here right now, like brushed out. Like it's not defined and uniformed because I just didn't want it to look so neat. But it is a curl pattern like so if you wanted it to look more like defined, then you could just wet it or add some mousse or something like that, and then it would be like nice and uniform if you like that type of look. I feel like it would look really nice in the middle part, like defined. I feel like in the middle part defined, it will look really, really pretty, but like this, I felt it would look best kind of messy. So that's the vibe that I gave. Okay, this just in, like I just wet the hair, and honestly and truly, like if I wore wigs on vacation, this would be a wig that I wear on vacation because it gives you the same vibe of like the curls and stuff, but like you don't have to deal with all of that hair down your back and all across your clavicle or whatever. Like it's that same vibe, except I feel like it's a little bit more edgy and not as hot. The way the wig comes, it has combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. It does not have the attachable elastic band on this particular unit. When you are purchasing a human wig, a whole wig, you're gonna pay a little bit more than you would if you were to just purchase bundles, especially if the wig is of quality. Good hair ain't cheap, sis. Like it's just not. It's just not cheap. Good hair is just not cheap. Period. Like you're not about to go to Bella Dream Hair and be like, let me get a 13x6 frontal wig that has 26 inches for $200. Like you're just not gonna ask her that. Like you're not gonna go there with that energy. Like you're just not, because you know it won't happen. So yeah, when you buying a good quality human wig, it is gonna cost you a little bit of extra change, but you must think of it as an investment because it is that. Like the hair is good quality, the wig will hold up, it'll last you a very long time. But yeah, I love the quality of this hair. Like I stand behind it 100%. I'm really, really proud. I've picked some good quality hair and I'm really excited about that. Like I can't say it enough. The hair is really good quality and I'm obsessed with that aspect of it. But also too, the wig is really good quality as well. It's very well made. So yeah. As far as shedding go, there is no shedding to minimal shedding. Like, okay. And the wig is big head friendly, okay? It is big head friendly and it has the adjustable straps in the back so you can adjust it if you have a smaller size head. It is for everyone, okay? Okay, so it's not really much else to say about this wig. I mean, it is a bob wig, so I pretty much cover everything. If you're interested in If you're interested in this wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box. And please be sure to remember that all human wigs have free shipping when you use code WIGSLAY at checkout, okay? So don't forget to use the code WIGSLAY at checkout to get free shipping on your human wigs, okay? And please, also too, I want to let y'all know, please be checking Shop All Things Beauty social media because discount codes are always posted there for y'all to use and utilize. Like, no, who does not want to save money, okay? So please be sure to follow at Shop All Things Beauty on Instagram to keep up to date with the discount codes, okay? I got discount codes for the girls because I love y'all, okay? But yeah, I'll leave the link down in the description box for you to check it out. Use code WIGSLAY at checkout for free shipping on all human wigs. The lashes that I have on are high key. Lashes are 15% off when you use code I love lashes 15. Jewelry, when you use code YouTube fam, you get I think 10% off. I can't remember exactly, but these necklaces are from Shop All Things Beauty as well. And yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, okay? Please be sure to drop that in the comments and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. And do not leave here without subscribing if you are new, okay? And even if you're not new and you watched a couple of videos of mine and you ain't make up your mind yet, if you want to subscribe, if you don't want to subscribe, aren't I fun? Like, subscribe to my channel, sis. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'm rushing. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Am I sweating?